Study skill number 1, concept map. A concept map is a type of graphic organizer that begins with the main idea and branches out to show connections to information. There are several variations of a concept map or graphic organizer, and they can be used to organize information in any subject including social studies, English, math, and science. Graphic organizers help visual learners by organizing the information in a way that allows students to focus attention on important information and encourages deep processing of information. Here are a few examples of concept maps. In the first one, we have an example of how a concept map could be used in an English class. The second example is an example of a way that we can use a concept map for math. And the last one is an example of how to use a concept map in science. An example for use in the classroom would be, you see here on the left side we have the TEKS, and here we have that we want the students to compare how various American Indian groups such as the Caddo and the Comanche govern themselves. So a very simple example of how to use this concept map would be, the main idea here would be American Indian groups government. We went ahead and branched out into two different branches, one for the Caddo and one for the Comanche. Below, we've listed here a couple examples of ways that the Caddo and the Comanche govern themselves. The great thing about concept maps are that you can create these and make these much more complex, or it can be as simple as just two branches here where the students can visually see the differences. In this example, I used social studies, and this is a very simple map for grade 4. However, another way to incorporate technology would be to create the concept map on paper and then have the students try out a website called Poplet. This will create a concept map that also allows them to integrate technology. The benefit of using the concept map is that it organizes the information, and it's great for those visual learners that you have in your classroom.